Hey guys, it's Rachel from Redo and Renew by Rachel, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to take this simple mirror and do a quick makeover on it. First, I'm going to go ahead and use the 2-in-1 bonding primer to give the paint something to stick to. I always do 2 coats of the primer so I can make sure that there's even coverage. Now that the mirror is all primed and dry, we're ready for the next step. This is my first time using the color Cozy Beige, and I have to say, it's such a beautiful color, and I'm really glad that my mom chose this color to use for this mirror. I also did 2 coats of this color as well. Now it's time to enhance those gorgeous details on this mirror. Anytime I have any kind of details, I like to go ahead and just use my finger to apply whatever I'm using to enhance them. You can use a chip brush or whatever you like, but to me, I just like using my finger. It's easier for me. I'm going to be using this paint on all the details, and I love the effect that it gives. Now for our final step. I'm going to be using these floral transfers to apply on the top and the bottom of this mirror. Little details go a long way, and my mom loves flowers, and I know she will enjoy this special touch on this mirror. Look how gorgeous this mirror turned out. I know my mom will love it because she loves everything that I do, but this was a special piece I did for her, and I can't wait until she sees it. Would you ever paint a mirror, or have you? Would you also use a transfer? Let me know, and once again, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.